Fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner and scroll down. Here you can see the option of settings and privacy, so tap on it. Scroll down again. You can simply tap on the gear icon as well and scroll down to the very end where you can see the option of reporting a problem. So let's search for reporting a problem over here. So we don't see that option over here, so we're going to go back and check on the option of settings again, or rather we can go for help and support. Here tap on report a problem and then tap on OK. Then shake our phone and report problem. So it will start creating the report over here. So simply tap on include, and here you can just tap on describe the issue. So you can just say hello Facebook team and write I am facing Facebook account restriction from advertising, so help me out. And don't forget to mention your username and your email ID to contact, and after that you can just tap on upload from Chrome and just submit it, and the team of Facebook will definitely contact you to solve the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.